Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So it's time to get some nail art on these bad boys now. So I've pulled out my palette and I've pulled out this Madam Glam Ultra Pink gel paint. I love these gel paints, guys. They're so pigmented and they cure without a tacky layer as well. So they're great if you want to chrome over them or if you want to do a design once you've already top coated. They're great for things like that. So I've also added a little bit of the Madam Glam Pink gel paint, which is a lighter pink, and I've added a little bit on my palette, and then I've also mixed a little bit in with the Ultra Pink as well. So what I'm doing on this pointer fingernail first is I'm painting a free edge. So we're going to be doing a French on this nail. So once I'm happy with the smile line, I then like to go up the sides, get it all filled in, and then I'll fill in the rest of the free edge, and then I'll cure that for 60 seconds. So using that same pink again, the two pinks mixed together, I'm going to be painting some lips on this middle nail. So I'll start off by painting the top lip first. I wasn't really happy with the shape of that, so I am going to go in with a cleanup brush in a minute. So this is my cleanup brush, got some isopropyl alcohol on it. I'm just wiping away that corner of that top of that lip. And I've wiped away a little bit of the bottom. Now I'm just going to even that out so it matches the other side. Like that. Much better. And then I'll paint the bottom lip next as well. Then once I'm happy with that, we'll cure that for 60 seconds. Now pulled out Madam Glam's black gel paint, added a little bit of that onto my palette, and I'm using Madam Glam's striping brush for doing all the artwork on these nails. This is one of my favourite brushes for nail art. It is like my go-to nail art brush. So on this pointer fingernail, I'm just outlining that French tip with the black, just like that. Then I'll give that a cure for 60 seconds. Same on this pinky nail, apart from I'm going to outline the whole of this nail. I'm now mixing a tiny bit of black into that ultra pink, just to make it slightly darker. And if anyone hasn't already guessed, we're going to be doing comic book nails. So I'm using a slightly darker shade of pink to do the shadow lines, just like that. And then I've given that a flash cure. Pulled out Madam Glam's white gel paint, and we're doing the light lines with the white gel paint. Just like that. So that is that now done. Now we're going to do the same on this pinky nail. So we're going in with the white gel paint to do the light lines. Just make them a little bit fatter, so you can see it a little bit better. Just like that. So I'm going to give that a flash cure for about 10 seconds. Then I've pulled out this vivid green, and we're going to do the shadow line using this vivid green gel paint. I like to just flash cure just in case I make any mistakes and I need to wipe away. I haven't got to worry about wiping the other colour away as well. So I do like to flash cure between colours. So then give that a full cure for 60 seconds. Now using the pink gel paint, which was that lighter pink, and we're just going to paint the tongue. Flash cure that, and then we're going in with the white gel paint to paint the teeth. So to paint the teeth, I just paint a strip above that tongue, putting it right up to the bottom of the top lip, just like that, and then give that a flash cure. Then we're going in with the black gel paint, and we're going to fill in the back of the mouth, like just above the tongue, between the tongue and the teeth. Do the lines for the spaces between the teeth. And now I just want to outline everything on this nail. And you'll find once this is all outlined, guys, it will really make the nail art pop. I'm now just going to clean up any bits that I'm not happy with my clean-up brush and some alcohol. Give them a cure for 60 seconds. And now we are going to top coat. Before I top coat though, I just want to go in with a nice generous coat of base coat. That way it's just going to level the nail out. It's going to remove any lumps, any bumps from the nail art, because I want these to be nice and smooth. So I like to go in with a base coat first. And then before I pop them in the lamp, I'm just going to flip the nails upside down just for a few seconds and then pop them in the lamp for 60 seconds. Obviously, I don't need to apply this base coat to the ring fingernail because there is no nail art on that nail. So I'm only going to do the 3 nails with the nail art on. So now that's all applied, can you see I flip the hand upside down and then pop it in the lamp to cure. And now we're going to go in with Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. This is one of my favourite matte top coats of all times. It is a beautiful matte top coat. It's super matte, but it's not got that kind of rubbery feel that some super matte top coats have got. I either find a top coat is super matte, but it's got like a rubbery texture, or it's not got the rubbery texture and it's like a more of a satin finish. But with this Madam Glam Velvet Matte Top Coat, it is super matte and it hasn't got that rubbery feel to it. So yeah, I really like this matte top coat. It is like my go-to matte top coat. Now, because I'm doing this design on a practice hand and not on my own nails, I'm just going to stick some charms into the top coat. So before I cure this matte top coat, I'm just going to add a small pink bow on the ring fingernail, tiny pink bow on the middle nail, a slightly bigger green bow on the ring fingernail, and then I want to attach this lollipop also. I'm going to have to hold that down with my tweezers when I pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So they're all fully cured, fully stuck down. I'm just using this Madam Glam Art Gel now, and we're going to build up these lips. I'm just going to add a little bit of volume, making them slightly 3D. Great stuff this is, because it cures without a tacky layer. I've not got to worry about top coating over it. I can do all of this after I've already applied my matte top coat. I really like the contrast between the matte background and the shiny, wet looking lips. I think that looks really cool. So yeah, I'm just building up them lips, making them slightly 3D, looking very, very kissable. And then I'm also going to use this art gel, guys, to add a couple of crystals. So I don't know if you can see, but in the middle of those bows is a tiny little circle where you can add some rhinestones. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that art gel into the middle of these bows. Oh, and I also want to add one on the tongue as well. So it's got a diamond piercing. Cure them for 60 seconds. And that is how they turned out, all finished, guys. What do you think? I really like them. I really like comic book nails anyway. I don't like wearing these kind of nails, especially the 3D charms and stuff. They're not my kind of nails to wear, but I really enjoy creating them. I find freehand painting just so relaxing, so therapeutic. So yeah, I really enjoy creating sets like this. I just don't like wearing them. So all the products that I've used today, I think were all Madam Glam products, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think they were. Everything that I've used today, I'll leave listed in my description box below. I'll also include my discount codes there as well. I've got a massive 35% off discount code for Madam Glam, which is GG35. So make sure you save yourself some money if you do decide to place yourself an order. And that is everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, guys, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.